Once upon a time, in the vibrant town of Chatterville, there lived a little girl named Rita. Rita was bright, curious, and full of energy. She loved talking more than anything else, so much that she would talk to her teddy bears, her pets, and even her plants, telling them all sorts of stories and thoughts that filled her mind. One sunny morning, Miss Hazel, the kind-hearted teacher of Chatterville School, announced to the class, "Today, we have a special guest visiting us, Grandpa Felix, the wisest man in town, who will share stories of his adventures from the past." The classroom buzzed with excitement, but Rita was especially thrilled. When Grandpa Felix arrived, the children gathered around eagerly. With his twinkling eyes and long white beard, he started sharing tales of forests and mountains, of distant places and bygone times. But as he spoke, Rita couldn't help but interrupt. "Oh, I've been to the mountains too. And one time, my family took me to see a big forest," she chimed in excitedly. Grandpa Felix smiled kindly and continued, but Rita's chatter didn't stop. She was talking so much that she hardly noticed Miss Hazel gently reminding her, "Let's listen to Grandpa, Rita." Yet, Rita's enthusiasm made it hard for her to pause. Seeing this, Grandpa Felix thought of a plan. He said, "Let's play a game. Here is a magical shell," and he held up a shiny conch shell. "Whoever holds it will have the power of silence and will listen to the whispers of the earth. What stories they will hear. Let's each hold it and see what we can learn." Curious, the children agreed, and soon it was Rita's turn. As she held the shell, a wave of calm washed over her. She heard the whispers of the wind, each rustling leaf telling tales of travels, the gentle hum of the bees spinning stories of every flower they visited, and the soft murmur of the river sharing secrets of the stones beneath. Suddenly, a new world unfolded around her, one filled with endless stories she had never heard before because she was always talking. For the first time, Rita was still, truly listening. In the silence, her heart grew warm, and she realized how much wisdom the world contained. When she finally passed the shell back to Grandpa Felix, she smiled and said, "I understand now. When I'm quiet, I can hear so many wonderful things." Grandpa Felix nodded. "Listening teaches us more than words can say, dear Rita. Every creature, every breeze, every raindrop has a story if only we choose to listen." From that day forward, Rita made a special effort to listen more and talk less. She discovered new stories in old places and made new friends by truly hearing what they had to share. Chatterville was still a town filled with voices, but Rita learned that sometimes the sweetest stories come not from speaking, but from listening.